kamay. Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's already 12 p.m. and we have a package. We have a package. This is from SHOPEE. So this is one of our 4 orders in SHOPEE, guys. So we'll unbox this one. This is posture corrector. No? This is a posture corrector, and this is not mine. This is Philip's. So let's see how it looks. And I'm total. It looks like this, guys. So Philip wanted posture corrector. So I hope mapanindigan niya po ang pagsuot nito for the entire year. I don't know if he'll do this. So this is it, guys. Mga raman siya carrier. Ay, baby carrier. Rala, bisuot na. So guys, this is the posture corrector. Talikod sa. This is the posture corrector that he orders on SHOPEE. So I hope your posture will get better, dude.
Hindi ko ba ko?
I think so. Takilid daw. Big boobies lagi ka. So, make your review soon. Hi guys! Let's do some unboxing. Wait, I'm gonna gate. I'm gonna... Palawis ako sa scissor, please. So guys, my order / package has arrived today, which is a bag from Thailand. This is ordered by my I love the packaging, guys. See that? Oh, big bag siya. Medyo, uy, gata. Bag pa lang, mabigat na. So, she shipped this yesterday, and it arrives today. So, how amazing is that, right? I really love it, guys. I really love it, guys, because I promised myself that when I will get a new bag, I will buy a black one, and it also has these details, which is in gold color, and it's matte black. Oh, I really love it, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you, Sal, for your hard work. Guys, I really love it. So let's open. So it has a handle. Let's open this stuff. I can't fit my shirt. It has many compartments, guys. It has the main, and also it comes with 2 slings. This is a big sling and small sling, so that's a plus. It has the main compartment, and also it has zipper inside, which is a little compartment, and it also has this one, another compartment, and another compartment. So it has 3 compartments total all in all. Its brand is MOEI bag. MOEI. I don't know how to read. Oh, I really love this guy. And I'm gonna attach the sling. I really love how matte it is, and it is not cheap looking bag. This is kinda not so expensive, but it's a little bit mahal, but not too mahal. Look at that. Oh, I love the details. It's so cute. Like, it's really cute, guys. I don't know. I have fascination of bags, so I must say. But I really like this one so much. Like, super duper. Oh, I really love how matte is this bag. Wait guys ha, I'll attach the sling. Oh. All in all, I totally love the bag. Like, so much as in. Thank you so much, Mom Layden, for purchasing this for me from Thailand pa gyud. So it's very nice quality. I love how dainty it looks and how cute it looks. The details also, I love the details and how matte it is, and it's really kinda big. I think the things that I bring with me every day will fit all in this. So that's it guys. I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!